Hospitals and imaging centers today are facing more challenges than ever. Challenges like the pressure to do more with less, minimizing schedule disruptions, and maximizing value for money spent. Hologic SureCare Service is your solution that can help you drive system uptime, staff productivity, and patient throughput. Our 500-strong service and support team is committed to applying our deep expertise while providing best-in-class service. Unlike multi-vendor service providers that try to support multiple imaging brands, our single focus is on Hologic systems. This focus is our strength and is the reason why we are the #1 service provider in mammography. SureCare enables you to have tailored service solutions to fit your specific needs and requirements. So, whether it's technical support and software coverage, staff productivity training, predictive analytics, or refreshed technology, we offer the flexibility to meet your needs. Now, you can maximize your system uptime and keep your business running smoothly with our fast and expert service, dedicated to helping you succeed. SureCare Service by Hologic.